Hello, good morning friends. Today we are discussing about the numerical ability. Let's continue with the topic simplification. Simplification is one of the important topic in the every exam. It may be a banking exam or various insurance sector like NIC, LIC, NICL and other exams. In the KPSC and UPSC also we may expect few marks about the simplification topic. Let's continue with the banking exam. Simplification topic is given in the prelims and main exam also. The weightage of marks for the prelim exam is between the 5 to 15 and in the main exam it fetches you minimum 10 marks, maximum 15 marks from this topic. The level of exam from the clerical and PO may be slightly varies. In the simplification, there are two main types. It is BODMAS rule and formula method. BODMAS, you may heard the name BODMAS, isn't it? In the primary school, high school and in the PO also, PO or +2 level. BODMAS, what is BODMAS? B abbreviation stand for bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And formula method. What is formula method? You heard the many formulas, right? In the simplification, from the basic formula like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, etc. The problem is having only two categories. Okay? Let us consider first example from the BODMAS rule. So, I already told what is BODMAS. Let's consider this problem. 3 by 5 of 4 by 7 of 7 by 9 of 1380 is how much? See, first observe the thing. Of means into or multiplication. Let's solve the problem. 3 by 5 of means into or multiplication symbol. 4 by 7 again of means into. 1380 is how much? Okay, with this. So of means multiplication symbol. Let's solve this problem. 3 ones are 3 3s are 7 7 get cancelled. Okay, numerator 4, in the denominator we left with the 5. Okay, again 3 is left, here 5 is there. So 5 3s, we left in the denominator 5 and 3, isn't it? Let's cancel here with the help of 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, again for the 0. So 460 into 4 divided by 5. 4. So in the denominator we left only with the 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10. 92 into 4 is 368. So answer for this problem is 368. This is the answer. Let's solve second problem. 3785 plus how much minus 4297 is equal to 5523. Here we need to find this variable. Let us solve this. Let's consider this problem I am doing from the basic step. 3785, we don't know the variable value. Let's take it as x minus 4297 is equal to 5523. LHS and RHS. Kept x here only. 5523, this minus 4297 become, when it shift to here, plus 4297 297, this become minus when LHS come into RHS, 3785. 3785 plus x means we need to find the value, minus 4297 is equal to 5523. Options are here: 6125, 6035, 6025, 6135, and none of these. Let's solve here. 5523 plus 4297, 0, carry 1 again, 9820. When LHS come into here, RHS, it become minus 3785. So here the answer 6035. Option B is the correct answer. Let's take example from this type of problem. Third problem. 75% of 580 plus 58% of 750 is how much? This problem is given in the year 2018 clerks main exam problem. So just observe the thing. Here are the options: 840 first option, second option 860, third option 680, fourth option 780, fifth option none of these. See, for this example I want to tell some tricks. We all know 50% means 1 by 2 or half, 75% means 3/4, isn't it? 33% means 1 by 3, 66% means 2 by 3. So these four are the basic common sense or basic things we need to simplify for these kind of problems. Let's consider this problem. 75% means 3/4, half means multiplication, 580, again plus 58% means 58 by 100 of 750. 0 0 get cancelled, 10 2s are 5 2s are 10, 5 15s are 75. From the 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 29s are, we left here 145 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry 13, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 is 4, plus from the 15 9s are 135, 5 here, 13 carry, 15 2s are 30, plus 13, 435. So 435 plus 435 is Let's consider the third example from the BODMAS rule. The question is here: 75% of 580 plus 58% of 750 is how much? Answers or the options are here: 840, 860, 680, 780, and none of these. For this kind of example, like in the percentage, we can make one trick to save the time as well as to make us easy. The trick is here. We all know 50% is 1 by 2 or half. 75% is 3/4. 33% is 1 by 3 or 1/3. 66% is 2 by 3. These four things we need to keep in our mind to save the 25% is 1 by 4. Okay, these 5 things we need to keep in our mind to save the time. Let's solve the problem. (75% 3/4) of 580, half is multiplication, again plus 58% of 750. From here 0 0 get cancelled. From the table of 5 we can cancel here. 5 2s are 10, 5 15s are, 2 1s are, 2 29s are, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 is 4, 29 15s are 4 3 5. Answer is 870. Observe here. So in the option 870 is not there. So none of this is the answer for the problem. Fourth type of problem in the BODMAS rule. It look like very simple problem, but also here time is the factor we have to consider. We have to finish a problem with accuracy in the very lesser time. Okay, this is the clerk prelims exam 2016, 14, 12. 3 years totally given, and the same problem repeated again. 12 square plus 16 is how much? Option A 180, option B 160, option C 240, option D 156, and again none of these. Let's solve the problem. We all know 12 square is 144 plus 16. Okay, 0 1 carry, 5 1. So 150 plus 16 is 160. So option B is the answer. Let's consider the example number 5. This question was asked in the year 2017 PO mains. Okay, so the problem is here. 32 into 15 minus 1850 divided by 37 is how much? Option A 295, option B 326, option C 410, option D 430, option E none of the above. Let's solve the problem. 32 into 15 can be split as 32 into 10 plus 5 for our convenience, minus 1850 divided by 37. Okay, so this answer 15 into 32 is 480. 37 5 times, put 0 as it is, minus 50. The answer is 430. So in the option D is the correct answer. 32 into 15 can be split as 10 plus 5 for our easy and convenience, minus 1850 divided by 37. Okay, 32 into 10 is 320. Half of 320 is 160, or 5 into 32 is 160, minus 1850 by 37. 37 1 time, 37 5 time, 0 as it is, minus 50. 320 160 is 480, minus 50. So answer is 430. Option D is the right answer. Let us discuss second type of problem in the simplification, formula rule or formula method. The advantage of this method is we can easily save the time. Without knowing the formula, we can solve the problem, but it is lengthier process and time consuming. Let us consider these formulas. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, 2 is the common factor, a square plus b square. This formula is arrived from these two formulas. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. This is one of the important resultant formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a into b, a square b plus 3ab square. A cube minus b cube is arrived from the formula a minus b. Just consider aside, what is left is a square plus ab plus b square. Like that, a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b, kept it aside, the left is the a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, based on this formula, let us solve some of the problem later. Let us consider first problem from the formula method. The problem is here. We have to solve the problem, there is no choice. 0.623 whole cube plus 0.377 whole cube divided by 0.623 whole square minus bracket of 0.623 into 0.377 plus 0.377 whole square. Observe the problem. Without the formula method, we can able to solve the problem, but it is too lengthy and time consuming. By the help of formula, we can easily do this problem in a fraction of seconds or fraction of minutes. Observe here, this is A, this is B. A cube plus B cube divided by A square into A into B plus B square. The resultant of the formula is A plus B. Very simple. A is 0.623, B is 0.377. So the answer is 1. Let us consider this problem. 0.25 into 0.25 minus 0.24 into 0.24 divided by 0.49. 0.25 into 0.25 is what? 0.25 whole square minus 0.24 whole square divided by 0.49. Let us consider numerator. So this problem resembles a square minus b square. Here a is 0.25 and b is 0.24. So what is the resultant of this? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here I have written a and b. So a plus b become 0.49, a minus b become 0.01. Again in the denominator we have 0.49. Now 0.49, 0.49 get cancels. So result is 0.01. Let's solve problem number 3. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.6, 0.6, 0.6 whole divided by 0.5, 0.5 minus 0.3 plus 0.6 into 0.6. With the help of the calculator we can do this problem easily, but without formula and without the calculator this is little hectic problem. So with the applying formula we can do within a fraction of minute. Here a is 0.5, 0.5 cube means a cube plus b is 0.6, again b cube divided by, it resembles like a square, 0.5 into 0.5. ab means minus ab plus b square. The resultant of the formula is a plus b. A is 0.5 plus b is 0.6. Answer is 1.1. So this is the answer. Let us consider problem number 4 from the formula rule. 16.579 into 16.637 plus 16.637 into 6.363. Just observe the thing. 16.579 and here b is 16.673 and again here 16.637 and 6.363. So a into b plus a into c is equal to a into b plus c. Here a is 16.579, b is 16.637, c is 6.363. So first factor 16.579 into 16.